Today, we will continue learning some vocabulary related to different annual events. Say these words with your English voice. Scottish Highland Games. Scottish Highland Games. These are events held in Scotland and other countries with a large Scottish population as a way of celebrating Scottish and Celtic culture. Roald Dahl Day. Roald Dahl Day. This is an annual holiday dedicated to one of the world's greatest storytellers. International Pillow Fight Day. International Pillow Fight Day. This is a day on which massive pillow fights take place in cities around the world. National Tree Week. National Tree Week. This is the largest annual tree celebration in the UK. It marks the start of the winter tree planting season each year, which is from November to March. Cannes Film Festival. Cannes Film Festival. This is an annual film festival held in Cannes, France, which looks at new films of all genres from all around the world. World Health Day. World Health Day. This is a global health awareness day celebrated on April 7th every year by people all over the world. International Day of Peace. International Day of Peace. This is also known as World Peace Day. It is a United Nations sanctioned holiday observed annually on September 21st.